Hi everyone, I'm Nancy Regan. In this video, we'll explore 4 ways the scope of an RCM analysis drives the planning process. Proper planning is crucial for a successful analysis, as missing key elements from the start can lead to costly delays and impact your results. The first factor to consider is how the scope of analysis determines the length of the facilitated meetings with your equipment experts. In my experience, the ideal RCM analysis lasts 1 to 2 weeks. For example, analyzing an industrial air compressor might take 2 weeks, while focusing solely on its lubrication system could take just a few days. These estimates assume you have experienced and knowledgeable experts. You have gathered all necessary technical documentation, and you have a commitment to consistent participation from all working group members. The second point is that clearly defining the scope of analysis helps prevent scope creep. For example, while analyzing the air compressor, team members might be tempted to address issues with the air dryer system because it's also important. However, a well-defined scope allows an experienced facilitator to keep the team focused on the task at hand, reminding them that other assets will be addressed in separate RCM analyses. The third key consideration is that the scope of analysis determines which equipment experts you need on your team. For our compressor analysis, for example, you might include a maintainer, operator, E&I technician, process engineer, and a reliability manager. Clearly identifying the scope from the outset ensures you know exactly which systems will be analyzed and which experts are necessary. It can be detrimental to the RCM process if you realize mid-analysis that you need additional expertise, like a planner, who wasn't informed or prepared to participate. The final key factor is that clearly defining the scope helps you determine the technical documentation required for the analysis. For instance, you might need current round sheets, technical manuals, drawings, schematics, operating procedures, and emergency procedures. Lacking the necessary information can lead to delays, wasted time, and frustration amongst your working group members. So there you have it. Defining the scope of your RCM analysis is an essential step that directly impacts the success of the entire RCM process. By setting clear boundaries, an experienced RCM facilitator can accurately estimate the time required, prevent scope creep, ensure you have the right experts involved, and gather all necessary documentation up front. These actions not only streamline the analysis, but also help you avoid delays, frustration, and costly mistakes. Proper planning from the outset is key to achieving reliable and effective results in your RCM efforts. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.